Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on a saab. It is Sensei's saab, so we shall be just polishing out the headlights and see how they come up. Alright, we've got some headlights to do today on the saab. There you go. They're not that bad. We're going to try some cut and compound and some polish and see if that comes up with anything. If not, we're going to get the headlight restoration kit out and give it a go from there. Alright, so before we get on with the headlight restoration, we're going to use the cut and compound, this one, and then the glass polish. We've dried off the headlights and then we're going to just attack it and see what happens. If not, as I said, we've got the headlight restoration kit, so we'll give that a go if all else fails. Alright, so the first coat's on it. As you can see, it's getting a little less hazy, to be fair to it. First coat's on that side. We'll give it a second, we'll wipe it off, and then we'll just keep going with it. See if it does anything, changes better. If not, we'll have to get the headlight restoration kit out. Like it's getting better slightly. So I reckon if we carry on, it should be fine. No, second coat on there. They are slightly better. I think I'm going to have to get the headlight restoration kit out and actually sand it and actually do it, because they're slightly better. There's less hazing, there's still hazing, but there's less. As you can see, it's still there as well, so I'm going to have to get the sander out. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. And remember, guys, if cabbage can, you can too.